Hello guys, today I'll explain my CRUD operations working on Swagger. Here as you can see I have already run my project. Here you can see my controllers, users and some other code that makes this project work. Alright, now let's go to Swagger. Alright, here you can see my ID and the name of the project. And let's start from users. Alright, to get users, we just try it out and we execute. And when we execute, we can see that there are a lot of users that are registered in the database. Alright, now we are done with get, and now let's go to post. Let's post something that is, create something. Okay, name will be my name and string will be my email, let's say, and we execute it. Note that the user is not asked to create the ID and some other stuff that is not needed, and for that DTOs are used. And when I execute, there will be another name and email with the user ID created by the database itself, 14. Alright, we have created another user. Now let's go to put, which means update. Now let's update something with ID of 14 as we have created just before. And we will make it your name and your email, let's say. We have changed it, and now when we execute, you can see that the name and email has been changed. Now let's go to delete. Let's delete something. We can delete stuff with their IDs, and we had 14 ID, if you can remember, and when we delete, it will be deleted, and the code for this deletion is 204, which means we are now okay. So let's now go to issues. We can get issues. Let's try it out and execute. As you can see, we have no issues right now, so we have to create it. Let's create a problem. Let's say problem or issue problem, and description will be water is leaking, and the user ID will be 13, let's say. And as you can see, we have created a user with the specified user ID does not exist. So we don't have a user with 13 ID, so we try, let's say, 12. And now, as you can see, we have another issue with its own user ID. Alright, now we have posted an issue, and let's go check it out that we have any issues. As you can see, we have a problem and water is leaking. Alright, so far so good. Now we update something. Let's update something. Let's update something with 12 ID, and the problem will be big problem, let's say, problem, and description will be water is flooding. Nice. Then when we execute, you can see that the title and description of the issue has been changed. Now let's delete something. Let's go delete, and when we want to delete something with ID, and when we execute, you can see that, oh, user with this, okay, we have a problem. So let's make it 13, and let's execute, and as you can see, it's not deleting. So I guess we don't have let's try execute. And now as you can see, we have problems. with ID 6. So when we want to delete it, we use the ID. So when we execute, you can see that the issue is also deleted. As my video has gone long, I want to explain one more thing. So in the schema section we have DTOs, as you can see, which I don't think I have to explain, but I should also mention that these are very crucial for the better scalability and better uh, code, for better code and better maintainability of the code. And that's it. Thank you for attention.